This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use jump cuts in Premiere Pro. Jump cuts are a powerful editing technique to remove unnecessary pauses or dead air, making your videos more engaging and dynamic. They help maintain a fast pace and keep your audience's attention focused on the most important parts of your content. Understanding their purpose is the first step to mastering this essential skill in video editing. To perform a basic jump cut, first, import your footage into Premiere Pro. Next, identify the exact moments you want to remove from your clip. Use the razor tool or press C on your keyboard to make precise cuts at the beginning and end of the unwanted segment. Then, simply select the marked section and press delete to remove it, instantly creating a jump cut. This simple action streamlines your video. To refine your jump cuts, consider adjusting their duration. A jump cut of just a few frames, perhaps 3 to 5 frames, can be less jarring than a longer one. Utilize ripple trimming with Q and W to quickly shorten or extend clips. For a smoother feel, you might add a very brief cross dissolve, lasting only 1 or 2 frames, to soften the transition. Always ensure your audio remains consistent across the cut. For advanced jump cut techniques, try combining them with slight camera angle changes. This creates a more dynamic edit, often referred to as a J-cut or L-cut, where the audio from one clip overlaps the video of another by a few seconds. Experiment with varying jump cut lengths, from a quick 1-second cut to a more extended 5-second removal, to control your video's rhythm. Always review your sequence to ensure the cuts enhance your story.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.